Yeah, and try to keep it on the ground. That way it can be something that she's chasing.
Okay.
You see how she put it down and was waiting for it? Oh, good job! Way to go! She's stepping on it, but I'll wait for, you know, until they get distracted by something, and then I will almost like whip it out from under their feet. There you go. Good job. Good job, Georgia.
Good job.
Very good. You got it. I see it. You caught it.
Good job.
You did so good. So, you know, it doesn't require too much from us.
Yeah.
It's something that you might have from around your house. If not, you know, it's you know, a few dollars, or I see it. It's the turn that she's catching. Every time you try to go back. Oh, there, she got you there. Very good job. Very good. And the fact that very good, you got it. Look how proud you are of yourself. Oh, you're exhausted now. Look at you. That's like a long run, huh? Yeah. You did good. Yeah, she didn't want to turn her back.
The fact that she's not going after cars and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, she's very concentrated on this. You know, it's an appropriate way for her to get that urge out.
Okay.
And tiring her out is something that, you know, she's a puppy, and she also can have a lot of energy and needs something to do. So having something like this will give her a little bit of that purpose. Well, it's in her mouth. So there you go.